Okay, ladies and gentlemen, how you doing? Today is May 5th. Happy Cinco de Mayo to all you people out there who celebrate. Want to show you some cool stuff. I brought out my chart. We're going to do this in a demo so you can really understand my psychology as I hit the charts. Okay. So let me go here. So what I'm looking at is, as you can see, from last night to this morning, we've been going up, right? Middle of the hesitation sideways there, and then we start going down. Okay, so we are here at this correction going up, so more likely we're gonna go right back down. Just waiting for things to kind of give me that indication that that's what we're going to be doing here. Okay. And we're going to take a trade so I can show you exactly what's going on. So it's kind of making a hesitation to try to go back up. We hit that little purple line, which is the EMA, and that's something that I can explain later on to you guys. But look at that. So what I'm looking at is possibly, if I can see that it fell one more time, I'm gonna take a short position possibly. I just needed to fail. There we go. All right. I think it can get us to that one line there. Around about I want to say that is 52.
Bearish short trend.
Boom. Cool. All right, so that was the trade. So what I did was I knew that it would probably go down here, but I took my profit right here. So just like I said, it was going up, kind of had a consolidation thing going on here, went down, did a little correction to the purple line. I started seeing that more likely it was going to come back down. That's what I was looking for, and it was going to come down there to that yellow line. It's going to come down there to there, but I decided to come short. If you know me about trading, I really believe that you should always take your trades, take profit a lot earlier than trying to wait for the whole thing to fill out, right? So again, if I had $1,000 account, this is where I'll be at. So let's go to, I'm just going to show you reason why I didn't do the live account, because I already traded and I didn't record it by mistake. So I'll show you what that looks like, you know. So we're looking at $675 on that account today. You know, I just went on continuing trading, but if I had $1,000 account, this is what we would have pulled in today. So let me bring in our journal. So 220. So in 3 days, $570, okay, off the $1,000 account. And hopefully they give you perspective, right? We at 57% in 3 days. Again, remember, if we was looking at a CD or, you know, any other kind of financial institution, we're looking at 1% maybe out of 365 days that you'll get on return, or maybe 2%. So again, this is not job replacement money, but this is more money that you can make very shortly and can put it to whatever you want to put it into. You know, you can buy more crypto, which is moving like crazy right now. You can go buy a stock that you always want to own, all these different things. So you have so much that you can do with this financing coming into the futures market like I am. And, you know, hopefully this makes sense. If you have any questions, that's what I'm here for, to kind of get you started, right? I really appreciate you watching the video. Hopefully you share this with friends. Remember, join the Facebook group if you're not a part of it, and join the YouTube channel and subscribe to that as well. All right. Hey, thank you guys again, and I'll see you at the bank. Bye-bye.